Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to cancel your Leonardo AI subscription in 2026. So if you no longer need your paid plan or want to stop future charges, the process is usually quick and straightforward. First, sign in to your Leonardo AI account and open your dashboard. Make sure you're using the account that currently has the active subscription. Next, click on your profile icon and navigate to the Billing, Subscription, or Account Settings section. This is where you'll find information about your current plan, payment history, and renewal details. It's also a good idea to check your email inbox for a cancellation confirmation. This helps verify that the request was processed correctly. After cancellation, you may continue to have access to paid features until the end of your current billing cycle, depending on the terms of your subscription. Finally, revisit the billing page and confirm that your subscription status has been updated and that no future renewals are scheduled. And that's it. That's how to cancel a Leonardo AI subscription in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.